Hey mom and dads, classes are back, and so are coughs, colds, and tummy problems. That's why your kids should take Promeric-C. First, it's packed with sodium ascorbate, a gentle form of vitamin C to help fight common school-time illnesses. It also has turmeric extract to support growing, active bodies and reduce inflammation from all that running, playing, and learning. And it has probiotics to support gut health, better nutrient absorption, and even improve their mood. It's non-acidic, safe for kids 6 and up, and just 1 capsule a day. Rain or shine, Promeric-C is your go-to for a healthy, worry-free school day because strong kids learn better.